Uh, Good morning to all. Today we are going to see the complete, the basic feature about the DrHMS. Okay, so DrHMS is the complete, hospital management system. Uh, so we have just I will quickly take you to the few minutes, PPT. Okay, so we have multiple products on the company, and in the healthcare itself, we have doctor, complete, laboratory management system, and clinical management system, and hospital management system, then pharmacy management system, asset management system, telemedicine, home care. When we go with the hospital management system, most of the feature will come into the hospital management system, the product itself, and we have separate home care option also as a part of it. So this is the core architecture of the product. We have a three-layer architecture, the Angular and Node and MySQL. This is the core architecture of the product. The application can deploy on the on-premises, which is local server, and private cloud, which is the private cloud by the customer, and public cloud and like AWS and Azure, those kind of public cloud also can be possible. And it's a completely web-based application, and even though the complete product work on the multiple devices across the devices, and the complete application work on the tablet, and we're also giving the mobile app for every stakeholder. So that is one of the core feature of the DrHMS, and this still all the API driven application, and any third party API can be integrated through which is a secure manner. Okay, so this is the major core feature. Since it's the open source architecture, we have zero IT infrastructure cost because it can be deployed on the cloud. Then no, basically no vendor lock-in, and secure and transactions. It's completely open source, and we will save the more than 40 to 50% of IT infrastructure cost can be reduced. Then we, as I told you, it's a multi-tenant application, so it can be deployed on the single instant, and we can create the multiple organization. Under that, we can create the multiple branches. Under that, we create the multiple department and users. So we have, we can manage the central level. It's a lot of time, and powerful reporting tool also will be there. Then better, we are also BI. We have 150 BI tools are there. These are the silent technical features. We have a 25% support team in Chennai operation, and the application is the complete secure data. The multi-device supports, actually multi-language support, so we will support for all language. And as I told you, the mobile app features are there. And this is the core, the solution architecture. We have a solution architecture, and then we have almost solution architecture, and we have more than 36 models on the product. This is the patient administration. You can see the patient administration. We have appointment and registrations model. We'll go in depth and know all the models details. Certificate management, patient registration and OP management, then IP ward management, billing and claim management, and medical record management. The clinical side EMR. So EMR is completely AI driven EMR, and manual and AI both options are there. And even we have patient services, patient portal, and a patient app kind of thing. Patient can see the complete health record on the mobile app. Can also book the appointment. Will show the patient app also. These are the point of services in the hospital. So we have a pharmacy management, CSSD, cardiac and cath lab management, diet and kitchen management, accident management, and laboratory management. All these are part of it. Then material management. So they have completely supply chain management. Very good. It's a detailed supply chain management will be there. Asset and maintenance management. So we have asset for complete end-to-end asset management for biomedical, IT, and maintenance department, and also ticketing management system also will be there. And we have very good doctor share models, and GST tax billing options are there. Other services like linen, kitchen management, queue management system, ambulance, live tracking, and packs, and integration and RIS will be there. So all these are high-level models features are there, and we have very good reporting tools are there, and it's add-on features like analytical mobility, e-signature integration, document management, queue management, wallet management. So these are the features we have in the this thing actually in the product. And we are also integrated with the IoT, and these are the few of the mobile app, this thing, and these are all the conversation UX, the one, and this is a AI. So completely AI, as I told you, there's a AI. So when you talk about the voice, automatically it create the prescription and it create the notes. And this is all the live monitoring integration also we do as part of the product, and all the ventilator monitors, those integration also can be done. And these are all the conventional comparisons of the product. So these are the core architecture, it's a completely lightweight microservice architecture. Then you'll also see the complete configurable product in the system. And this is all the complete application will be alert driven application, and the EMR. So the UEMR, every doctors, every specialty can create their own template with the drag and drop methodology. So all the MIs report all over there, and these are the standard we follow, the HL7, CSSD, SONOMED, and line code, NABH. Those standard will be there for standard confirmations. Also the EMR adoptions we follow that, and this is all our support, 25 support. We follow the ITL, Jira, those kind of support maintenance tools, we follow that. And these are the SLA, we follow that. And this is the implementation methodology. If you go with any projects, we make sure we follow this implementation methodology. Business requirement study, and info availability, and data migration with the existing system and the configuration, installation, system integration, training, and user acceptance. Once user acceptance is passed for 99.9%, then only we go for live, pre go live, and then post the live go live and post go support. This is the methodology we follow, and on major clients. From our side, these are the major clients. We have 200 plus customers in across India, from 0 beds to 1,000 bed hospitals are covered actually, and these are the international customers are there in the different countries. Thanks you. Okay, now we'll see the application demo. Okay, so this, since as I told you, this is a demo version, and we have a complete the URL on the demo version. Okay, I will log in as the admin login so that we can see all the models in the product. So as I told you, it's a completely multi-tenant application. So based on the permissions, the other facility branches can be seen here, and you can see this is the dashboard where administrator can see what is the collections happening today, revenue is happening, bed occupancy, then doctors wise revenue, insurance wise aging, the outstanding of the aging, disallowance for the insurance, doctor share for the internal and external one. And this is the basically the dashboard, quick dashboard for the admin purpose. And we'll also give this is a real-time dashboard, and you can, based on the date range, you can go and check the data set for the revenue and collection. Okay, so the left side we have as I told you, there's a multiple models are there. Okay, so then system administration model where we can create the hospital organization, roles, privileges, departments, users, and complete audit logs. So every transaction we have completely audit logged, and SMS even templates also can be created by the customer itself. Then if this is all the related to the administrator, IT persons, where they wanted to users did any mistakes for the payment mode, doctors and bill date and GR and quantity changes, those kind of the errors can be rectified by the hospital IT or accounts department itself based on the approval process, and it is also audit logged. Okay, so then there is all the Excel upload options are there, where all the masters can be uploaded by the customer in the uploading service masters, doctors masters, test masters. No, most of the masters can be bulk upload can be done by the IT administrator itself. So this is the administration. I will just skip that, the model here now. So now then other one for the these are the setting actually. So you can see the setting here. Then this is a language. You can also choose the language. Then automatically entire application change with the language. This is the internal messaging system. So now I come for the front office. So that's the front office dashboard. So I'll show the complete OP workflow. Okay, so as a OP, you can see the registration. Okay, the registration also normally there will be there were multiple source of registrations happening. The patient can do the registration in the mobile app. I'll show the mobile app also, and we are also having the kiosk system where patient himself he can do the registration from here. So this is the registration, and we are also having the AI based registration. For example, I click the record option. Title Mr. First name Damodaran, last name Masilamani, age 35, gender male, mobile number 7358540837, location 1054A, Jahanigram Nagar, Chennai, city in Chennai, district Chennai, state Tamil Nadu, country India. So if you are recorded those information, this will be when you stop it, then automatically the pre-fill all the data from voice to text in the registration forms. So so completely got the information here, so that the patient just they click on the save button, so automatically registration will happen. You see the registration is happened. So this is the way the AI used actually in the front office. And once a patient registration is done in the one, automatically immediately they will also get the registration details in the WhatsApp. So we are also integrated the WhatsApp, and they will get the username, password, and registration detail. This will be completely WhatsApp integrated, so that all the bill copy. So you can see the bill copy also will be in the WhatsApp. Then lab result, DISA summary. So it's a completely paperless solution. We don't need to give any physical paper to the patient. So everything it's got through the WhatsApp and patient portal and kiosk. So there's a multiple way. And again, in the kiosk, they can also book the appointment for the doctor. Okay, then there will be they want to download the lab result from here. They can also download the lab result. So they can also download the lab result from here. So you can say they can download the lab result, and they want to take the token numbers. This is the token number. So not only registration, then they want to take the token number for different department registration, doctor appointment, lab, X-ray, pharmacy. They can take the token number, they keep it, and they will call from the display, and token will be displayed. Same way, the bill payment also, either they can also pay advance in the kiosk itself. Advance or the all payment mode will be automatically the QR code will be generated, and they can pay online in the one actually. Then they want to download the bill copy also, they can download the bill copy. The same way they can also give the feedbacks from here. Okay, they can get the feedback, what are the template hospital, choose the one, they can give the feedback from here. They can get the feedbacks also from here. So these are all the features they can do it in the kiosk. Okay, again the mobile app also can be done. So I'm coming here. So I'm going to register here actually. I'm going to register the new patient, and we also did the Aadhaar integration here. Just scan the barcode or QR code of the Aadhaar code. It will come. There will be a membership. If the hospital give any membership, they can also membership. And if already registered patient, they have the so they enter the UH number, name, and date of birth. The patient data will be coming. And we also did the ABA integration, so that ABA integration also will be populated here. Okay, so then I am going to do the new registration here. Okay, one more patient walk into the hospital, and they do the manual registration here. So this is a mobile number. So then this all the communication will go through the mobile app, and all the mandatory field will be captured manually. The authentication also, now this is a national ID, and there will be a passport number is if the international patient passport number is mandatory, the national ID also will be there, and then address, all the address can also mandatory, and you can also search address from the Google Map also. Okay, so then other options are there. Google Map also can be done. Okay, so then here which is a VIP flag also is there. I don't know which doctor is going to see. So you can put which doctor you want to see. They will select the doctor name. Automatically, the will be doctor and department will be selected automatically. If you want to see the previous visit for the particular patient, you can also see the previous visit of the patient also.